Hi, this is JP and welcome to Brizy. Appside is a free one-page / landing page layout for both Brizy Cloud and Brizy WordPress. This template was carefully crafted by our design team for anyone to use that needs to display an app or a downloadable product. Appside features a header with a custom menu, logo, and a button for the download, followed by a great hero section, including a conversion area to collect leads. Naturally, this is done with our native form builder that packs a punch in Brizy Free. But for more integration power, check out Brizy Pro. The feature list sections are there to highlight your app's main and outstanding features, with some bragging rights below using Brizy's counter elements. Included is a toggle section for pricing, and even though this switcher is a pro element, you get to play around with it here in Appside, the Brizy way. Testimonial and team member sections round out social proof, which is essential for a one-pager like this. Under frequently asked questions, you'll find a perfect example of the accordion element. So even if you do not intend using this specific layout, you can always load it to explore how our design team crafts and shapes the different sections to perfection. Everything for the perfect landing page is here in Appside, and it's fully responsive. No need for you to figure out how the design should look on either tablet or mobile displays. Appside comes with a colorful theme, but if you need to swap out the colors, simply go to the global styling and bring in your preferred color palette. Make sure you subscribe and watch our tutorials here on YouTube to take full advantage of the free Appside template when you begin customizing it for you or your clients' needs.